been real good with measuring, period.
Why am I good with measuring?
Okay. Not me. When it comes to a tape measure measuring, I've never been real good, but I can measure shit with a micrometer or calipers.
And I got squinkies. And I got a new purse that comes out for everything. Let's see if I can find my anchor.
Like Anna told me today, could you measure my windows and tell me the size of the screens I need? And I'm like, okay.
We got a special guest today.
Write it. And she goes, and I want to replace that window. Can you tell me what size I need to get the glass? And I said, well, I can't do that. Well, how come, Mr. Ron? I said, because it's got a frame around it. That's what's holding the glass in. I said, that frame needs to come out.
Oh, yeah.
Then you can tell what you need that'll fit inside there. Oh, but you can't. No, I can't. Because I don't know
what's... This is her dog toy. Feeding people with dog toys.
I'm not going to go pull them out.
I'm not going to do that. Actually, this is a good idea.
Well, there's so much that goes up and in, and I just every time I walk by,
there's always something.
Mr. Don, and all the kids, of course. Hey, Mr. Ron.
Hey, Daddy.
The kids are awesome.
Hey, Dad.
I was just letting you know.
Yeah, I know. What?
Can I beat you with dog toys?
No.
Why?
Because then I'll have to beat your mom.
Ugh.
Why are you hitting me when I didn't do nothing to you?
You said you'd beat people. You don't beat people with dog toys, man. That's just sick. Bye, love you.